Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Those of you guys who don't know me, hi, I'm Malikia and I do different kind of videos in my channel starting from skincare, vlogging, cooking and lifestyle. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, then thank you so much for your love. Now couple of weeks back I was thinking what to shoot and I came across this idea about my footwear collection. I remember a comment in my video where it was mentioned about it. So I thought to show you guys about the footwear collection that I have. Now, to be very honest, in the realistic life, there are so many pairs of footwear that I do have, but because of this regular use, few of them are not in a position to show, and few of them are actually, to be very honest, I have put them for washing. So I couldn't show you guys maximum of my collection. Either they are for daily use or they're into washing. Now I have collected approximately about 9 to 10 pairs which I can show you guys, and those are a little bit of different, and it actually goes with different type of style starting from western, ethnic and all. So you can of course pair it with the dresses and how it goes actually. So let's hop into the video without wasting any more time. Now I'll try to mention the prices in the screen with the images and the videos of my footwear, and I'm not very sure about the prices because they were long back purchase. So as much possible as it I can remember it, I'll of course mention it in both Indian rupees and in how much is it in dollars, Australian dollars, so you can be familiar with it. And I'm very much sure that you can purchase it online as well as in the store. If not exactly the same pair, if you want, then you can of course find the near about footwears collection. The first thing that I have is this high long boots, and it is amazing because and I stay in Melbourne and the weather over here is like very unpredictable, and maximum of the months there are cold. So even if I'm wearing a short dress or a short pants, so I can actually pair it up nicely with this high heel boots. And if you have seen many of my photos or in videos, so you can see that actually I do wear these heels for a very long time and it's too much comfortable. And this has got a material of not exactly leather, but it consists of fur. I don't know what exactly the material is called, but it keeps your feet very warm. It is absolutely amazing, and I remember I bought this 2 years back when I was coming to Australia. I wanted this high boots, so I purchased it from Delhi actually. So it was a very nice decision and very nice purchase that I have made till date actually. So moving on to the next footwear. So I have this black boots. Obviously now you can see there will be many footwear that are in black. The reason why is because I'm very obsessed with this black footwear, and the second is black is something which you can pair it up with any color dress and any color thing, so it goes with everything. So this basically this boots were gifted to me by my friend for my birthday. I remember maybe a year ago or so, and this are fab. It is so stylish and the quality is very nice. It has got this high heels in it, so it gives a very good overall look actually. So you can wear this with your bell bottom jeans and shorts. It looks amazing. And if you want to create that vintage look, you just need to wear a short, this black boots with a cowboy hat, and it's a vintage look. And I really wanted to create it someday if I'm able to travel after this corona to some places, and I will definitely do that. I'm just looking forward for that. Now the third thing that I have, that is this brown boots, and this I got again 2 years back when I was coming from India. I wanted this, not too long and not too short, but it should cover my ankle. So it does come up to my ankle. And the material is, if I wanted to rate it on the scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it on 7, because I don't find it very nice footwear, and it's comfortable. It's like semi comfortable, but if you are wearing it for a very long time, I believe it's not that much comfortable. So it's comfortable for, like, if you're going for a, just you don't have to walk much, then these are perfect. And you can, just because this is brown, so you can also again, pair it up with the different light color as well as with the dark color dresses. And this also have a bit of heels in it, so that's what I liked great about it. And this has got zip in it, so it's very easy to put it on. So you don't have to tie any shoelace or anything, you just have to wear it and put on the zip and you're ready to go. So that's what I have liked about it. And again, I have purchased this back from India, and people who know Pantaloons, so I have bought it from there because I was shopping around and I came across these boots and it was looking really nice, so I bought it. So simply that was the reason. It was not necessary for me that point of time, but now I'm using it not quite often, but yes, depending that I don't have to walk much, so I'll wear it. So the next shoe is this black toe ballet, and it has got heels, you can see. So I actually bought it for the professional purposes. If I'm wearing or if I'm going for a professional purpose to meet somebody or for office or something like that, then of course I can pair it up with my skirt basically. So if I'm wearing a pencil skirt and all, so I can of course wear it this with, and it goes, because it's a color black again, so it goes with the professional look perfectly. And it is comfortable, but just because it's heels and all, so if you're okay to walk with heels for long time and all, it's perfect for you. But for me over here, I don't prefer wearing heels as much, but yes, of course, if I'm going for a professional visit or something, then I prefer wearing those because that looks perfectly nice. And I got this from, again, from India, I remember. Now that I got from either from the brand Mochi, or I don't exactly remember, but of course I'll go through it and I'll see, and I'll mention all the links and the prices in the description box below as well, so that if you want to check it out, you can go and check it out. And yeah, that's the purpose for me to bring this black toe ballet shoes with heels. Now the other one is the pink ballet. Now this has got heels, but this are called the box heel, it's not the pencil heel. So the black one has got pencil heel. Now this is the box heel, and it's a bit more easy for me to walk on the streets comparatively to this pencil heels. So this again I got it from India, and it's from the brand Pantaloons. Now it's not that much comfortable, but on the scale of 1 to 10, I'll again give it 8. And I bought this pink color because I don't have much of different color other than black for my footwear. So this pink, it goes with the different, I won't say all the dresses, but yes, if you are wearing white or if you're wearing a pink dress or something like that, you can carry it with that. And of course, you can also at times wear it with the Indian dresses. If you're wearing a palazzo, so it will definitely go with it. So that's that's the point of it. And I really like this black, not black, sorry, see, I'm so obsessed with black. So again, this pink ballet shoes, it's a great thing for me, and I hardly use it when I'm wearing a Indian dress or something different, so I can pair it up with this pink ballet shoes. Now moving on to this is actually called jutis. I don't know many of you are familiar or not, but these are actually called the jutis, and these are, I believe, the Punjabi style. So last time when I went back to India, my dad bought it, and I don't remember the place from where he got it. I believe from Lucknow or somewhere he visited. So I bought a pair for me, and these are like awesome because I don't have much Indian events or like anything over here, but as much as I have, it's really nice. It's really nice. Like, if you want to create a different look, if you want to wear a sari or something Indian, then it looks amazing, and it's very cheap. I remember it's very cheap. So it's something around rupees 150 or 200, something around that. But of course, I'll mention the prices on the screen for you to know it better. But I believe this is one of the best collection I have in my footwear, so that if I'm wearing something, going for a festival for Indian something, then I can absolutely wear these things. And this is a must actually. To keep the variety, you should have one of these. Moving on to the another one. Now these are basically the sneakers. Everybody is familiar with sneakers. Now I have only shown you one sneaker. This is actually black and gray. Now it has got a bit of gray, and this is from the brand Fila, and it's absolutely so comfortable, so comfortable. Like, I can't even make you understand with my words how comfortable it is. So I have got different type of sneakers, and of course everybody has got too many sneakers in their collection because that's what you wear in your regular basis. So I have white, blue, and different color of sneakers, but I haven't shown you in this video because I believe sneakers is something that everyone has, right? So there is no point of showing any of these sneakers. But again, if you want to see my sneakers collection, then you can let me know in the comment section below. I would love to show you my sneaker collection, but this is what I'm showing you now. These are very comfortable, and the brand is also very renowned brand, so you obviously know how comfortable it is, and that's it. And I can pair it up with anything I want to, anything, anytime I can wear it. So now moving on to the another footwear. Now these are basically the flat ballets. So this toe ballet thing I'm very obsessed with again, because these are flats and you can wear perfectly and very easily move around. You don't have to think much about it. So, and these are very cheap. I bought it from here in Australia, and I have got, to be very honest, the same thing for 2 pairs. So I've got 2 pairs in case if something happened to my first pair, I always have these pair one to wear. So this is how much I am obsessed with this ballet shoes, and these are flats, so I can wear it again with anything, Indian, Western, anything. Now the last in my collection for today is I have got this high heels. Now this heels I have got for a very long time, I remember, but I have bought 2 or 3 pairs of heels actually to Australia, because here I don't wear heels that much. So these are again black, and this I have got from Mochi or Metro. From people from India, they can relate actually what are the brands I'm talking about. And these are amazing. I have worn them for last 2-3 years, but it is something that just because I wear it very often with few skirts and dresses, so it looks like that, or else it would have torn. I know the condition would have get very worse. Now the next time I visit India, I'll definitely buy few heels of the same brands and I'll bring it here, because I'm more comfortable to wear heels of the same brands actually. So that's it for me today, guys, and thank you so much for your love. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section below how are you liking my videos, and in case if you want to see any other videos or something like that. So that's it for me today, guys. So I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and love. Bye.